The Bible says, "Some gave me was not without effect." We are what we are.
Na kwa ushindi. Kwa sababu kabla ya ulimwengu kuumbwa, ulinijua, ukanichagua, ukaniteua, na nitafaulu.
Hiyo shule Utumishi Academy personally, mimi mwenyewe ni kati ya ambao walijenga hiyo shule. Mimi nilikatwa mshahara nikiwa askari polisi, tukaijenga hiyo shule. Kwa hivyo ni shule ambayo ilinishikisha uchungu zaidi. Kwa hivyo mimi nahimiza watoto wawe na nidhamu mzuri, wasasi watunze watoto na waonyeshe njia ambao itawasaidia kwa ili waweze kuepukana na yale maneno ambayo tumekuwa tukisikia.
And therefore we decided to join the families of those 16 girls so that we can have also pray for their souls to rest in eternal peace, and also condemn the heinous act that happened in that school, and ask all the students around the country to protect their school and protect their properties and protect the life that they have been given by God, so that in case of any problem, let us have a way, an amicable way of solving issues instead of going after the life of our own colleagues and of our own students.
I want to urge all the students that fire or destruction of properties in schools is not a solution for everything. You can also bring solutions from going to your teachers. Also, don't be swayed by the ways for going to follow the characters of some people, and also don't follow companies, because companies will ruin you.
Let's respect one another. Let's respect our schools. Let's respect the lives of each one of us, and everything will be okay. So the issue of caning maybe return as one way of bringing back discipline to our constitutions.